Hi, I'm Diana from South Bay Kids Connection and TeachSocialSkills.com, and this is my assistant Astor.
Hi.
Today we are going to be reviewing Happy Salmon. Actually, Astor has never played this game before, so I'm going to show him. It's very quick, very easy, very cute. I recommend getting this game. I actually found it at Kohl's, the clothing store, and I was just drawn to it because I thought
why is there a game at a clothing store?
They just have all this random stuff, and I was drawn to it because of the case. I just thought it was funny, so I figured it was going to be good.
It looks like the Bananagrams case.
It's by the same makers. Imagine that. I also looked, and it has one of those Toy of the Year stickers, so I can't go wrong. Okay, so this game, it says it's for players ages 6 and up, which I think is true, and for 4 to 6 players, because inside you will find there's cards, and there's 6 colors, so that's why there's 6 players.
A lot of colors.
Okay, so everybody, what you do is you
wait, we're only 2 people.
I know, we'll do an example, but you separate the cards by color. So everybody, it's very simple. Everybody gets all of the cards of their color. So you can have this one if you want, and I'll take this one. Then we can go through the cards and say what each one means. So basically you just, you're in your group, and this takes no time at all. It's a great game for like in the beginning of group, if you want to do like a, get the kids kind of excited to be there, or maybe even at the end, right? Okay, so for example, why don't you hold up your card and I'll, to the camera, and I'll tell what it is real quick. Each one, like each go one by one. So each one of, in your deck, everybody's got the same cards, but in a different order, because you'll get them and then you'll shuffle them. So you can have, what's it say?
Switcheroo.
Switcheroo. This means that you switch places with somebody, but
right.
You take, you take your cards with you. Normally, this is not gonna work.
Switcheroo. No, wait.
Normally, I think when you switch cards or you play these games, you switch places, but not the cards. This one, you take your cards with you and you change spots. Okay, next one, quick.
All right, next one.
High five. No explanation needed. High five.
What's next?
Next one is switcheroo again.
What's the objective of the game?
The objective of this game is to get rid of all your cards. So the first one to get rid of all their cards wins.
And how do you get rid of your cards?
Well, what happens is, so you have these cards. Pound it means pound it. And then you have, happy salmon means you flap your happy salmon, I was going to say wings, what are they called? Fins? And that's it. So it's really easy. Switcheroo, pound it, high five, happy salmon, right? Just 4 things that the kids have to remember. So even if they can't read, they can associate with the pictures. Okay, so what happens?
I don't think anyone over 6 can't read.
Oh, sometimes. So you are at a table, and each person takes out the card, and we're going to play a quick round, and puts it on the table. As you put the card on the table, you say it out loud. So we're going to, and so for this one, switcheroo. Now other people have different ones, so I'll be yelling out switcheroo. He might be yelling out something else. When 2 people have the same card, you guys do that action.
Oh.
Okay, once you do that action, you discard that card, so then you can get rid of that card. Okay, so now you have one less.
So you want to do the same thing as everyone else.
Exactly. So the reason why I like to do this in group, besides it being fun, is it's a really good game to get, it goes quick, so you have to focus, you have to kind of concentrate your attention on what's happening, not only on your card, but you have to look around the table and see what other people have on their cards, right? Yep. In order to win, because if you're not paying attention and you don't see it, you're going to miss it.
It's really just paying attention to your surroundings.
Exactly.
I mean, if you're not paying attention to each and everyone's cards, then you don't know who you're paired with. You don't know if it's anyone or everyone. you're not sure, and that could easily make you lose.
Right. So actually, that's exactly right. Actually, it's going to be hard to just do you and me because
Yeah, we both win.
both win or lose. But just to give you a little idea, we'll put it down here and we'll kind of do. So you
Take
can.
your cards.
Okay, I'll take these, and you take these, and okay, ready? One, and this is what I like to do. I like to do a countdown to get everyone's attention. Like 1, 2, 3, go.
Wait, what?
See?
I thought you were just doing it as an example. Come on.
1, 2, 3, go. Happy salmon. So you shout it when you have it.
Pound it.
Okay, we did nothing. So we keep, in that round, we keep our cards and just put it to the end. Okay? Obviously, again, this won't work because we're just 2. But if there was a third one, then it would work. Or a fourth one. Ready? Happy salmon.
Five.
So let's do one that. Get your high five out. Let's do a real.
No.
All right, ready, set, 1, 2, 3, go.
High five.
Happy salmon. Okay, if these matched, can we match?
Switcheroo.
No.
High five.
Oh
Switcheroo.
my gosh.
Happy
Okay,
salmon.
so you do your movements, and then these cards
I dropped
would
the
go.
cards.
It's okay. That's okay.
I dropped it.
And that's it. That's literally the end of the game. And how many cards are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's like 10 or 15 in each thing. So it goes by really quick. You could even take some out if you wanted to make it go even quicker. So I think it's something even the little ones can understand.
Just a quick, like, 1 or 2 minute game.
Yeah. It's like, okay, what am I going to do? I really like it towards the beginning. And I also think that the little ones can play, but I like the small below 6, probably like a savvy 4-year-old and a 5-year-old. And then even the older kids, I played it with kids up to 12, 13, and they thought it was pretty funny. So you never know. Try it. I think that's it.
Why are you just looking at me?
I don't know. I didn't know if you have anything to add. Okay, that's it. Enjoy. Bye.
Bye.